Ever dreamed of owning a piece of the moon? Not literally, of course, but something that symbolizes the vastness of space and the exciting future of lunar exploration. Well, that's where Lunar Token comes in. But before you start planning your moon vacation, which, by the way, might still be a while off, let's tackle the burning question: how much is Lunar Token actually worth in good old US dollars? Now, Lunar Token isn't your average cryptocurrency. It's a digital asset often associated with projects related to space exploration, lunar colonization, and even potential future lunar economies. Think of it as a speculative investment tied to the dream of humanity venturing beyond Earth. But like any investment, its value can fluctuate wildly. Address the core question: how much is Lunar Token in USD? Unfortunately, there's no single, easy answer to how much is Lunar Token in USD. Here's why. Volatility. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile. The value of Lunar Token, like most cryptocurrencies, can change dramatically within minutes, hours, or even seconds. Limited trading volume. If Lunar Token isn't actively traded on major cryptocurrency exchanges, its price can be less stable and harder to determine accurately. Lack of standardization. The cryptocurrency market still lacks a unified pricing and reporting system. Prices can vary slightly across different exchanges. So, how do you find out the current price? Check cryptocurrency exchanges. Look for reputable cryptocurrency exchanges that list Lunar Token. Most exchanges display real-time price data in various currencies, including USD. Popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and others. Use cryptocurrency tracking websites. Websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko provide price tracking for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. They often aggregate data from multiple exchanges to give you a more comprehensive price overview. Utilize cryptocurrency price widgets. Many websites and browser extensions offer live price widgets for various cryptocurrencies. These can be a convenient way to keep an eye on the price fluctuations of Lunar Token. Important note: cryptocurrency investments carry significant risk. The value of Lunar Token can fluctuate dramatically, and you could lose money. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, including Lunar Token, thoroughly research the project, the team behind it, and the underlying technology. Consult a financial advisor. If you're considering investing in cryptocurrency, it's always wise to consult with a qualified financial advisor who can help you assess your risk tolerance and investment goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.